Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, here to share a holiday gift guide. My, I think, first holiday recommendations as far as luxury items. So if you here to see what Miss Tamika recommends, y'all need to go ahead and click on my subscribe button, you all. Really helps out my channel. So with that being said, you all, I decided to do one this year because I have a lot of good things that I'm loving, and just in case you are a person that's not sure what to get, someone that has everything, or if someone is starting luxury collection, I highly recommend going small and working your way up. You can afford a bag, then yeah. But if you that person like, hey Miss Tamika, I want to treat myself to something luxury and I want to know your recommendations, you know I got you. So I have everything in this basket. Everything in here is under $1,000. I have a few things that's over $500-600 only because of the price increase. If y'all didn't know, Christmas is one of my favorite holidays. I think Christmas is my favorite holiday. Or this is for anyone looking to purchase themselves luxury items. So if you're not here for luxury items, then I got you. I'll probably upload something different, but this is for all my luxury lovers out there. This here Gucci key pouch, you all, unisex purchase. A lot of this stuff is kind of like unisex. I'll let you know which items are unisex and which items are not. My son, my baby son drives me crazy because he wants this, and I'm like, no Michelle, you cannot have this. I will buy you one. His 21st birthday, but for some reason he wants this. But anyway, if you have a son, a husband, a brother, uncle, whoever, this is something you can purchase for them, because not only as a key holder, you can also place your cards, money, change, coupons, whatever you need, you can place in here. My son do have a key file, so with this he can just make sure he has this on himself, and he can get in and out of his car without having to worry about putting this inside of his ignition to start his car. He bought himself a nice car, you all, and I'm so proud of my son, and he's 22. Particular item, you can use this. You could place lip glosses in here. And when I say lip glosses, I mean the mini lip glosses. You could place, if you still wear a face mask, you can place your face mask in here. A lot more than just cards and money. So I do highly recommend this item for a gift for one of your loved ones, even for yourself. I highly recommend this. So yeah, you all, hands down one of my favorite Gucci purchases. You know, I could not do a gift guide without mentioning this piece. This here I like because not only can you use this as a key pouch, you can use this as a catch-all. And when I was saying far as minis, this is what I mean, like minis can fit in here. I actually fit this YSL in here too. This here you can put a lot more than this one, of course, because of the shape of the key pouch. Like I said, lip glosses in here. I have a total of 3. I can fit more, but I didn't want to put anything else in here. You can place your face mask, hand sanitizer. One to me is like a little pouch for us women, like a catch-all in our purse. But I do highly recommend this, and I will say these here Gucci pieces are priced really well. I will try and link them down below, but if I don't, just know that these here are the items, and you can just go on the Gucci.com website. I'm not sure if this is available to online purchase, but I will try and leave it in the description box if it is, because I remember the time this wasn't available to purchase, because it was like a in-store purchase only. On to my next item. This here is a Louis Vuitton, y'all. Again, hands down one of my favorite purchases. This particular item was called, I think this is considered unisex, not sure. This one here, you all, I tell you, it softened up a whole lot. Placed a lot of cards in here, and when I say a lot, you can place over 10 cards in this here particular key pouch. This do have a key ring. When I use this, I didn't use the key ring. I just used this as a actual wallet. Just place all my cards in here. The back part for my key card to get in the gate. What is this called? This here is called a key clay, I think. But this here is the leather one. You have the monogram. I'm not sure the price, but this him in this as a gift because it's affordable. If you're new to luxury items, when you buy your first SLG, you're going to be hooked. I'm just saying, you're going to be hooked. Recommend this. If I didn't mention, I think this here is the black, but it's not called black, it's called something fancy. But I do highly recommend this as well. And this here, if I didn't mention, was made in France. I remember, now it's a way you can take this off, but I didn't want to do that because I heard once you take this apart, it takes away from the warranty on the item. Like say for whatever reason you have any issues with your item, if you remove something like this and try to take it in to get service, it will void the warranty. So just a little FYI. I could be wrong because I remember hearing that. I don't know if things changed. But on to one of my newest purchase. I was not looking to purchase this on the Louis Vuitton website, and when I saw this item all leather and it was under $500, I was like, okay, I gotta get it. It's really hard to find an all leather piece under, I think it was under $500. What I'm currently using, that's why it's so full. It's where I keep all my cards. I don't keep money in here, I don't think so. Yeah, I don't keep money in here. I think this is called, what is this called? This is the Rosaline coin purse, I think, or something like that. You have a lot of cards in here. You do have a back pocket and a slip pocket here, and then you also have another slip pocket on this side. A lot, as you can see how it's full. About overstuffing this because as you can see, it's still holding up. And you all, this here, I love this rose ballerina color. I'm not sure if I would buy a bag in this color because you already know, if you've been following me for a while, the issues I have had with color transfer to break the bank. I do highly recommend something like this for as far as a to me from me gift. You looking for a gift for your wife, I highly recommend. If you're not sure, men out there, if you happen to stumble across my video, look into this, y'all. I'm telling you, she would love you forever and ever and ever. Moving on to my next favorite, you all, hands down, my Gucci key pouch. You all, I love my Gucci key pouch. The only downfall, I'm gonna be honest, is the fact that you cannot place your cards in here. Like, you cannot put a card, not one card in here, like none. I know people was trying to fit it in here. I even tried to fit my driver's license in here, and it just won't close. Downfall regarding this here Gucci key pouch issue that I highly recommend. This here was like $3 something. It is at a good price. I think it's almost the same as the Louis Vuitton. Now keep in mind, the Louis Vuitton, you can place cards in the back part of the Louis Vuitton one. If you worried about placing cards, I do recommend the Louis Vuitton over the Gucci. But if you like, look, Miss Tamika, I just want a Gucci piece and not break the bank, then I do highly recommend this particular item. Sell my Louis Vuitton, because I had the damier bean or the monogram one in the key pouch. Selling that, if I one day upgrade my card to a key fob, I think I'm gonna repurchase that one in the leather print, not the monogram, only because I had the monogram before. I'm in 2 colors. This is like one of them unisex pieces. A man or a woman can wear this. One is really cute. I didn't get the pink because, y'all, I was scared of the whole color transfer thing. But now looking back, I do wish I would have purchased the pink because I don't wear it as, so the pink I probably wouldn't have to worry about anything, but I was just so scared. But yeah, this do come in pink. If you looking to purchase this for yourself, I do highly recommend the pink over the black. So yeah, you all. And moving on to my next item. This here is by Prada. If you're not sure what to get that love in your life, I do highly recommend something like this, because this here is another catch-all, but it's more so like a little pouch versus a key pouch or key wallet or whatever. This is an actual little mini cosmetic pouch. That's what I want to call it. I'm not sure what they call it on the actual Prada website. Love this thing. And I did hear that you can wash it, But right now I don't have no reasons to throw this in the wash, but I did here because it's made of that material that if you do wash it, I don't see you damaging it. I wouldn't dry it. I would let it air dry. You do get a zipper in the inside. I love that it has this here zipper because you can tuck away some money or whatever. I like to tuck away $20 in one of my little wallets that I don't use as often, because you know, anytime you go back, you're like, oh, you know, you go on your bags or your wallets, you're like, oh, I found $20. So I do like to stuff cash in here every so often just to surprise myself. And I have my same stuff, my Dior and a YSL and that Touchland hand sanitizer. This do come in a lot of colors, so I do highly recommend you going on the Prada website to check out the. Yes, you all, this is another item I highly recommend for a gift. On to my next item. Now I'm not sure about this item if it's available to purchase. Here's another great gift because this here is a zippy coin purse. I got this one because of the pink interior. I remember when I first purchased this, I think I purchased the monogram. I went into Louis Vuitton for whatever reason, and when I saw this pink, I'm like, okay, I gotta switch that out. The interior was pink, and of course I had to get pink. Like, do you see that? And this also holds a lot too. I haven't worn this lately, but now doing this here review, I'm like, okay, maybe I need to switch out so I don't, you know, wear this out. But yeah, you all, I do highly recommend this because this gives you the, like a full wallet, full size wallet, only because I have smaller bags. Yeah, you all, I do highly recommend this here as a gift. And look for the one with the pink interior if you can find it. To my last two items, of course, I have Gucci. I love Gucci. Gucci did go up in price, but not as bad as Louis Vuitton, yo. The dust bag. And keep in mind, with all of these here luxury items, do look to purchase these as gifts. Make sure you check the box if they give you that option to receive a bag. And also check the box for a gift so you can write a little something, because it will come with the bag and like a nice little message card. So like I said, if you're giving it as a gift and if they can't go into store to purchase, I feel like the same vibe as if you were in the store. Like I said, you come out with a bag and you come out with like the little message card that you can write anything on it. So again, Gucci do offer that special packaging, and also Louis Vuitton and Prada. So again, if you give these as gifts, make sure you click down to get your box, your bag, and all of that stuff. Now they all come with the boxes, but Louis Vuitton has the option now where you can add a bag. I think Gucci comes with the bags, but Louis Vuitton now you can actually click you could check the little box to receive a bag. Just a little FYI, just in case you're giving this as a gift for yourself, because you know me here on this channel, since I want the box, the ribbon, the bag, the card, everything. So I even do that for myself, even if it's not like a actual gift. So yeah, but yeah, I do highly recommend any of the Gucci card case on the Gucci website today, you all. And they do have a lot more colors than they did back when I purchased this, the yellow. And I was looking to get the black to match my bag, but then I was like, I get another one, Tamika. Like, why? It's the same thing. So I was like, okay, black and yellow goes together. So I just throw this in my other Gucci bag. But you all, this here holds 4 cards on the outside, and you can place a few cards in the inside. Now with this particular wallet, I didn't double the card slots, only because I didn't want to loosen the wallet and stretch it. It still has a little tightness to it. When I purchased that was like $242 something. So I forgot the new price. I don't know if this went up in price, but I think it's still under $300. I'm not sure, depending on which one you get. So yeah, this is like the box you get, and it comes with the Gucci ribbon. And last but not least, you all, of course I had to end it with a Louis Vuitton piece. One here is again one of my favorites. Not sure if this is available. This here is an actual men's watch, because YouTube hyped this up, because a lot of women had this particular wallet or card case or whatever. Tried it out and I was like, okay, now I understand men vibes. But this here is a men's wallet, nice and small, where you can tuck it in your pocket if you are a man. You know, if you are a man, it's really small. It kind of reminds you of an actual wallet, but it's just a different way it opens versus the ones that open like so. Yeah, I do highly recommend this. My brother was looking to get one for his I think for Christmas. Daquan, yes, get yourself one. It's really hard to get, so if you find it, get it. So here on the front you can place 3 cards. You can also place a card here. You can also place cards here in the back, some here and some here. And then you can also place some cards here as well. Like for this one, I do downsize because like I said, I don't want to overstuff this particular wallet with cards, but I like the fact that you have a lot of different slots for your cards. But you all, I love this here wallet. Like I said, this here fits in all my small little bags that I carry. That was everything that I would recommend far as small leather goods if you are looking to get into the luxury side of things, and you may be like, hey Miss Tamika, I want to treat myself. So hopefully this video will be able to help you decide on what to get. I'm also thinking about sharing some handbags. I would recommend if you're looking to purchase yourself something nice for the holiday. Well, these are things that I will recommend if you're looking to get someone special in your life something for Christmas that's not going to break the bank. If you enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.